How does the teacher transfer knowledge to his students in a sustainable way? Where apparently she had students from different upbringing, culture, family, religion, environment, and others. It is a big deal to the teachers because they are accountable to these little ones. You might say, it is hard. Yes, of course it is hard. If you alone will do it. Who is your master teacher? Yes, it is God. When He was here on earth, He did. He had been applied to sustainable development and learning, not only in physical faculty, but in social, mental, and most spiritual. For how many years had passed, still the Lord's teaching is still proclaiming, and no one can stop it. It is the most applicable example that we should follow in, by having a good partnership, immensely reading His book, and study His examples, prayer, and love in leading young people in His feet. This is the great work of a teacher and should not neglect.
Now I will check our attendance. Say present if your name is called. Miss Balyaran. Beronggoy. You're Miss Beronggoy. Good morning, Miss Beronggoy. Have a seat. Thank you. Kultura, Christine.
Present, ma'am.
Oh, you're Christine. Mendoza, Moses.
Present.
Present. Tisigan.
Present, ma'am.
Oh, you're beautiful today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Seko.
Ma'am, present.
Sheila. Are you a Filipino or
Not.
you're Malaysian?
No, what do you think?
Thai?
No.
So what?
I came from Indonesia.
Wow, that's how Miss Sheila is from Indonesia. And last, Rigel Garb Zamora. Mr. Zamora? Why do you think Mr. Zamora is absent?
He's still at the work.
Ah, he's your boyfriend?
No, ma'am.
I thought you're his boyfriend.
Ano nila? Indonesia. Matandit na kaulan. Hindi mo alam.
Anhi ako diri sa balay, kay gimingaw na ko nimo gamay. Ayaw na pagdugay-dugay, pagdali nag-anhi kay. Ganahan ko kitang duha, diri mo pahuway. Nagsakit ang akong dugha,
Uy, inday, kay nga naman
ikaw ra ang hinungdan.
ako ra gyud, wanay uban.
Makahilaksad kog ahat,
Unsa man akong gibuhat.
akong kasing-kasing imong gikawat. Anhi ako diri sa balay,
Chill lang ko, dili na ko magtugay.
kay gimingaw na ko nimo gamay.
Ayaw na pagdugay-dugay, pag
nagdali nag-anhikay ganahan ko kitang duha diri mo pahuway ganahan ko kitang duha diri mo pahuway.
Ay, naku, Utoy. Nag-uwian na sila, Ma'am Abel.
Talaga po?
Ang galing mo yun.
Yun, nakuha ko rin.
Meron na?
Yeah.
How?
Ay, naku, Utoy. Nag-uwian na sila, Ma'am Abel.
Sorry po.
Ay, naku, Utoy. Wala na yung mga class mo dyan. Nag-uwi ng iyong teacher.
Bilonggoy. First bilonggoy. First bilonggoy. First bilonggoy. Miss Bilonggoy? Have a seat.
Ay, naku, Utoy. Nag-uwian na sila, Ma'am Abel. Ma'am Abel. Ma'am Abel.
Talaga po? Talaga po?
Inaantok. 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 Bilonggoy!